Hi everyone, this is just a memory. This is the Japan Monkey Park, which is located at Inuyama, Aichiken. So dito guys, you can see so many rides. It's so good for children, wherein you can have so many rides inside this park. Actually guys, the monkeys or the zoo where you can see so many monkeys is at the other side of this park. In this side are the different rides. And in this side guys, as you enter, there is that pool. So as you enter, you can see the different rides already. But in this left side here, you can see the pool. So since this is summer, you can see so many people entering the pool to have swimming. Tingnan nyo guys, you see, there are so many people are swimming. But pila-pila to guys dahil hindi naman to masyadong malawak, no? At pagkadami-daming tao. So, sarap mag-swimming pag ganitong summer. You see guys, this is Japan Monkey Park. So, pag makita niyo yan guys, yun, yung landmark na yun, that is, it means that you are already near Monkey Park or Japan Monkey Park. So, dito guys, you can enjoy riding so many rides. And meron ding, there are lots of restaurant also here inside. Pwede kayong magbaon, pwede rin hindi because you can buy at a restaurant. Kaso lang, it seems costly. Yan guys, oh, mayroon pang rides na parang animal. Pwedeng sasakay dyan yung mga bata. Lugan mo lang ng coins or yung ano nila. So, yan, may Ferris wheel. Ang Ferris wheel dito sa Japan guys, hindi mabilis, no? It has a slow speed compared to Philippines. So, we just ride on a Ferris wheel to view the panoramic view of the village, whole village. Di kagaya sa atin yung para kang ma-enjoy na very high speed. Para kang hinagi sa hangin na baka yung mga nervyosa hindi pwede. Pero dito ang Ferris wheel ay napakahina lang ng kanilang takbo.